Arrive in style with this Jeep 2016 Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are GPS navigation, connectivity group, Max tow package, quick order package 24R, Sunroof soft top, 8 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, audio jack input for mobile devices and CD player. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.